I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the roof rails match your vehicle and intended load, because load rating prevents damage. Once confirmed, position rubber pads where rails meet the roof and loosely fasten front anchors just enough to hold. Make sure to measure equal distances from both doors so the rails sit parallel. You tighten only enough to keep alignment. This first positioning avoids stress points later. Keep the torque wrench handy. You'll lock final values after the full assembly. You now add the crossbars, sliding them into the rail channels and centering by measuring from each door pillar, because even spacing stabilizes loads. Once positioned, finger tighten all bracket bolts, then follow a diagonal tightening pattern with incremental torque. This equalizes clamping pressure. Make sure the crossbar ends clear roof trim by about 1/2 to 1 cm to avoid rubbing. If you carry a long load, move bars to support weight distribution. After alignment, set final torque on every fastener. You finish by performing a careful low-speed drive to detect movement or noise. This reveals loose fittings. Once done, check and retorque all bolts to the manufacturer's specification, because thermal cycles can change clamp tension. If you hear rattles, isolate them with foam pads or tighten the offending bracket. Small gaps often cause vibration. If water ingress appears near mounts, reseat the rubber gaskets and apply small amounts of automotive sealant where needed. That single troubleshooting tip, retorque after initial use, prevents most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.